Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video here, you are going to find out how to create a system restore point on Windows 10. Doing this is very simple, very easy, but very important, especially if you want to restore your computer back to an earlier date before a major problem started. So to do this, all you have to do is click right here at the bottom left corner of the screen, right here. And then you are going to type system, you're going to type restore point right here. Type restore point, and then you're going to click where it says create a restore point right here. So click the start button at the bottom left corner of the screen, type restore point, and then click on create a restore point. Alright, right now it's going to open the system properties. So now under where it says protection settings, click where it says create, click right here. As you can see by where it says create, it says create a restore point right now for the drives that have a system protection turned on. So click create right here, and now you're going to name your system restore point. Let's, for example, I'm going to call mine system restore point 2. Okay, I'm going to call mine system restore point 2. You can name it any name you want, and then click create. Alright, and now Windows is now creating the restore point, which will take about a minute or two to be done, not that long. Alright, so as you can see, it's still creating the restore point. Alright, so it should take about a minute or two. As you can see, it's done creating the restore point really quickly. Okay, close and click OK. So now, what if you want to access that system restore point? How do you do that? Very simple. All you have to do this time, you're going to right click the bottom left corner of the screen, the start button. Right click with your mouse right here. Okay, so right click and then click where it says run. Click right here, click where it says run. Okay, so after clicking run, you're going to type this. You're going to type this command right here, rstrui.exe, rstrui.exe, and this should open the system restore tool. Okay, and now and then click OK. And by the way, if you can't memorize this, I will include it in the video description, and from there you can copy and paste it to the run command. So and then click OK, and then this should bring up system restore. And if I click next, as you can see, it says system restore can help fix problems. And if I click next, and then here you go, the system restore point I just created. And I created this on this date. I just created. If I look at the time, my PC is 9:28, and as you know, I created this system restore point about 2 minutes ago. So pretty neat. And so here it is right here. I can choose my system restore point, and then click next, and then from there I can choose to restore my computer to that point. So really nice feature to take advantage of in Windows 10. So if you like this video, please press the like button.